Welcome to our cardio yoga workout HIIT class. Today's practice is going to be a low-impact, high-intensity interval training done with a variety of fat-burning and metabolism-boosting exercises mixed in between yoga postures and a flow to help you get maximum physical results. No equipment is necessary except your mat and yourself. So if you're ready, let's begin. Alright friends, we're going to get started today at the back of your mat. Let's go ahead and just take a deep breath in and then exhale. Make your way over into your child's pose. Resting your forehead down, arms reaching forward towards the front of your mat. Take a deep breath in, stretching out your upper body. And then as you exhale, round yourself forward and drop the hips as you open up into upward facing dog. Let's stretch out that belly. Open up the back, open up the chest, and then press into the hands, lift the hips, and take your downward facing dog. Release the feet. Let's take a deep breath in. Now from here, I want you to lift your heels off the mat. Then I want you to bend the knees, hover the knees, extend, drop the heels down. And again, lift the heels off the mat, bend the knees, extend the knees, and press it down. 2 more times, just going a little bit deeper into those calf muscles as we press it down. 1 more. Bend the knees, extend the knees, and press. Beautiful. Inhale. Let's round through the spine, dropping your hips all the way down into an upward facing dog, but keep your toes curled under. From here, you're going to bring your knee to chest, then drop back down into upward dog, other knee to chest, and drop back down. Ready? We're going to do it for 30 seconds. Here we go. Bring it in and upward dog, other knee, upward dog. Now keep going at your own speed. If you are making this a little bit faster, just make sure you do not lose your posture and your alignment. So each time allowing the chest to open, the belly to drop, and the knee to that chest as you engage your core. Keep going. Almost done. And open, knee to chest, and open. Last second, and release it back, downward facing dog. Beautiful work. Just walk it out for a moment here, letting go of any tension. And let's lift the heels again as we bend the knees and hover them. Extend the knees and press the heels down. 1 more. Just to go again a little bit deeper into those calf muscles and your hamstrings. Great job. Hold your downward dog. From here, now slowly bring your feet together, round forward into plank, and then take that Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, opening into upward facing dog, and exhale, release, downward facing dog. Well done. Now let's roll the body through back into plank position. I'm going to demonstrate the 2 different variations of our next exercise. Mountain climbers, you're going to bring 1 knee in and step back into plank position just like that. Other version is to actually hop and mountain climb. All right, ready? 30 seconds. Let's go. Whatever version you want to do, just keep moving. At whatever speed you need to take it, but do not stop the movement. Keep breathing. Core is engaged. Get those knees up towards the chest. Keep going. Don't give up. Get those knees up, 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 up. Keep going. Beautiful work, and we're almost done. Just breathe through it, don't hold your breath. And last few seconds left. And you are done. Great job. Ending into plank position and then pushing back, downward facing dog. Breathe it out. And using downward dog as your resting pose as you breathe in. Now as you exhale, go ahead and just take 2 steps forward to the top of the mat. Inhale. Exhale, releasing into forward fold, grabbing your opposite elbows. And then from here, begin to roll yourself up to standing, releasing the arms as you reach both arms up to the sky. Exhale, bend the elbows, dive down towards the mat. Inhale, halfway lengthen as you come up. Exhale, you're going to slowly release and get that chest closer towards the thighs, forward fold. Beautiful, just hold it here for a moment, finding your breath. Rounding the palms, stepping back into plank position and taking a flow through a chaturanga, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Well done. All right, we're gonna go into our next exercise. So first, come into plank position. I'll demonstrate the easy version. You step forward, Malasana, yogic squat, extend, lift the heels into a releve, come back into Malasana, hands down, step back into plank. Level 2, stepping one foot, other foot, Malasana, extend, releve, back to center, and then hop right into plank. Level 3, you're gonna hop forward into yogic squat, then you're gonna lift up, extend, back into yogic squat, hop back. All right, so take whatever level you wish. Let's go 30 seconds. I'm gonna take level 3, but you pick whatever feels good for you. And step it or hop it back. Again, coming into your Malasana, making sure when you come down, you get as low as you can with those hips. And lift, bring it down, and hop back. Now again, you do not need to follow my speed. Just see how many you can do in the 30-second interval. Don't rush it, don't lose your form. And we're almost done. Now wherever you are, just land back into that yogic squat, Malasana. Wonderful, hold it here. Find and connect your breath again. Now your heart is racing, so we want to make sure we find the breath. Breathe deeply, feel that deep stretch. Your spine is straight. And then from here, hands down, lift your hips and then just heel toe your feet so they're a little bit closer together. And then releasing into your forward fold with your feet apart. Now here, go ahead and bend one knee at a time, going a little bit deeper into those hamstrings. Just letting go of any tension. And then bring your feet together. Roll yourself up to standing. Inhale, let's reach both arms up to the sky. Exhale, dive it all the way down. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, hop or step back into plank position. Then take your chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, push it back, downward facing dog. Well done. All right, next exercise, step your left foot forward into your lizard. We're going to do lizard hops. First variation is to simply step back into plank position and then step your right foot forward, then step back into plank, step your left foot forward. So you're stepping to the side of your mat into a nice deep lunge. Version 2 is to hop it. Hop, hop, and hop. All right, so whatever version you wish to take, let's go. 30 seconds on the clock. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And once again, just pick whatever level fits you best today. And do not lose your form. Try to go as fast as you can to whatever level you're comfortable with. Just don't stop moving. Keep breathing, keep building that stamina, that cardio, that strength. And last few seconds left. And you're done. Great job. Wherever you are, whatever leg is in front, just hold it here and breathe. Finding that breath again. And let's go a little bit deeper into that hip opening by dropping that back knee down. See if you can open that knee away from your body and just enjoy this wonderful stretch. Good, just breathing deeply here. Feel free to use your one hand and push that knee away from your body. So same hand as the leg in front, you can push the knee away. All right, let's lift the back knee, hands down, and just switch sides. So take your other leg forward, whatever leg it may be. Coming into that lizard pose, release your knee. And using the same hand as the front leg, begin to push that knee away from your body so you're feeling a deeper stretch through the hip. Good, and just breathing deeply. Push it away, inhale. Exhale, let's release. Hand comes back down on the mat. Step yourself back into plank and flow it out, chaturanga. Inhale, let's open into upward facing dog. And exhale, push it back, downward facing dog. Well done. Inhale deeply into your belly, into your ribs, lengthening through the upper body. Exhale, walk your feet forward to the middle of your mat and roll yourself up. Now you want to turn around so you have the width of your mat here. We're going to do one last exercise on both sides. I'm going to mirror you. So first, hands behind your head. You're going to bend your left knee, right knee to elbow, and bring it down. So right knee, left elbow, and come low with the body. Ready? 30 seconds. Let's go. Right knee to elbow and down. Elbow and down. Elbow and down. Keep going. Don't stop. So that right leg that extends to the side, try to keep it straight when you come down. The other supported knee is bent as you come down. So you're engaging the glutes, the lower body, and the abdominals. Keep going at your own tempo. Do not lose your form. Just do your best. Almost done. And breathe. And release the arms down to the floor. Good job, you guys. Now from here, let's bend that left knee and come into a deep side lunge, skandasana. Now either stay up where you are, or if you're able to go even deeper with the hips, try to point those toes that are away from you up towards the sky. So your right knee is pointed up to the sky as well as your right toes. Go deep and breathe. Beautiful, just feeling that deep stretch through the hip, through the inner thigh. Go ahead and take one more deep breath in. And exhale, press your way back up to standing. And hands come behind your head. We're going to do that one more time on the other side. So let's bring the feet a little bit closer together. You're gonna go ahead and bend both knees. And now you're gonna bring your weight onto that right foot. You're gonna go ahead and bring the left knee and touch your opposite elbow. And then bring it down for 1. Touch and 2. Touch and 3. Keep going in your own pace, engaging the core and working on that lower body. So your right knee, your supported knee, bends as you come down. The other leg extends to the side. Now the challenge here is to get low with the body as you come down. Keep going. We're almost done. Your own pace. And you are done. Release. Great job. Hands back down onto the floor. This time, let's go into our skandasana on the other side. So once again, if you are able to come low with the hips, you want to extend that leg and flex the foot. So then the toes and the knee of your left foot are pointing up towards the sky. Good. And just breathe here. Think about bringing that chest low to the ground. Well done. Now let's slowly press your way back up. Legs extended. Inhale, let's reach both arms up to the sky. Exhale, let's step to the front of our mat and finish off our practice with just a nice big feel-good flow. Inhale, exhale, dive it down as you come down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, step back into plank and then take your chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, press it back and release into your downward facing dog. Good job, you guys. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, let it out. Slowly bring your knees to the floor and sit back into child's pose, arms next to the side of your body as you rest your forehead on the floor. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, just letting it go. Letting go of your body. Taking a moment to catch your breath. Inhale. Exhale, come on up to seated, reaching both arms up to the sky. And exhale, bring your hands to heart. And you are done. Thank you so much for joining me today on the mat. You did an incredible job, and I look forward to seeing you again. Namaste. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to click that subscribe button to make sure you're staying up to date on all of our new fitness, yoga workout, and Pilates videos. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.